Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Now let's get into fundamental analysis. Indian shares closed lower on Friday, snapping a 4-day winning streak. The Reserve Bank of India maintained its suite of policy rates unchanged, with no change to the QE program on Friday despite stagflationary pressures. India's big threat remains a resurgence for the virus. A positive for currency, but a negative for equities. China releases its trade balance this weekend, and any number under $50 billion will be negative, indicating slowing growth. China's inflation, which will be released on Monday, should be benign, but poor trade data will add to the headwinds for China equity markets. Now looking into the major results of this week will be Jet Airways and MRF on Monday, Coal India, Lupin, Power Grid and Zomato on Tuesday, BPCL, Hero, Motor Corporation, IRCTC and Tata Steel on Thursday, Glenmark Pharma, Grayson, ONGC and Sun TV on Friday. Now these will be the fundamental analysis this week. Now let's move on to the technical analysis. Nifty has witnessed a doji candle on daily chart which shows negative reversal sign, and Nifty may expect a range bound trade in between 16,161 to 16,425 levels. And for upside, if Nifty closes above 16,425 on daily basis, it may expect a positive bias up to 16,734, and for downside, if it closes below 16,000 on daily basis, it may result in increasing the selling pressure. Bank Nifty has a break below 35,660, which means further rally on negative side up to 35,311 levels. And if it closes below 35,311 on daily basis, it means there will be a continuation of selling pressure. For upside Bank Nifty, if it closes above 36,340 on daily basis, it is possible to test 36,795 ranges. These are this week's technical analysis. Now let's open up with derivative analysis. Based on option chain analysis, highest open interest for the call side is 16,300 strike, and for the put side it is 15,500 strike. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with Nifty positive close compared with the previous week, which shows call buying may be seen. India VIX has settled in 12.61, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended with a low, which shows decreasing the volatility. These are the derivative analysis this week. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Tata Power above 136.8, the target will be 142 and the stop loss is 130.2. Buy Zensar Tech above 430, the target will be 455 and the stop loss is 410. Looking on to the F&O corner, buy Bank Nifty Future near 35,510, the target will be 35,700 and the stop loss will be 35,350 rupees. Under the option strategy, Bear call spread, sell Nifty 16,350 CE at 45 and the Bank Nifty 16,450 CE at 19. The net credit points will be 26 points and the expiry will be on 12th August. Book profit once the strategies give 15 points profit. So now to conclude, let's see the institutional activity. According to the previous week, based on FII, net buyers were 2616.04 crores and in the August month 2616.04 crores. According to the previous week, based on DII, net buyers were 896.84 crores and in the August month the same 896.84 crores. Now these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.